this way. Now I can talk about these airplanes all day. It's getting a little cloudy.
Yep.
And we should get in the air.
Yep. Amen.
So thank you very much. We'll talk to you soon.
And he tried to send
Yep.
Here we go.
Test, test. One other thing I should tell you about the 190. It takes a little while for it to warm up, so you're going to have to be a little patient. You're going to have to let this engine run for several minutes before we get the go-ahead.
Oh!